Walking is one of the best and easiest exercises one can do to maintain a healthy lifestyle. You can do it anywhere and at any time, be it in a park, on the street, or even just at home. Today is all about giving you some amazing reasons why walking is extremely beneficial to your health and why you should absolutely hit the road. Walking keeps your heart healthy and strong as it reduces stress and heart-related diseases. Cholesterol is a type of fat found in your blood which you can also get from foods like meat, fish, egg, butter and cheese. You need cholesterol to help your brain, skin and other organs grow and do their jobs, but too much of it can lead to clogged blood vessels which can lead to heart attacks and brain strokes. Walking is a great form of exercise because it brings down the bad cholesterol by reducing your weight and hence increasing the good cholesterol. Walking does assist weight loss as it helps to maintain and balance your weight. You don't need an expensive gym membership and fancy a treadmill to get in your daily cardio. All you've got to do is put on some pants and hit the neighborhood. Brisk walking every day for around 30 minutes should do the trick, and if you want some variation, there's always jogging. Walking helps the circulation of blood and releases oxygen as well as adrenaline, your body's own mood-lifting hormone, and spreads it to all parts of the body, making you feel extremely active and alive. Make walking a daily necessity in your life to get those well-toned calves, quads and butt, as walking activates and extends the muscles in those particular areas when you push off the ground with your foot. It also corrects your posture, gives you a killer set of abs and also the waist that you've seen in your dreams. 76% of women in India have a vitamin D deficiency that leads to multiple bone disorders and pregnancy complications. You don't have to worry about that though, because walking is the perfect way to get that vitamin D fix your body needs through direct sunlight. So the best time to go for a walk in order to soak this up is just before the scorching sun comes completely out to say hi. Studies show that walking is really good for your body as it releases endorphins, which is a chemical produced by the brain that reduces pain and releases stress and depression, making you feel relaxed. I'm guessing nobody wants to be stressed and depressed, right? Then get walking. So to receive all these benefits, all you've got to do is be spontaneous, grab those shoes and start walking. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.